InDesign and Illustrator are two powerful design tools offered by Adobe, but they serve different purposes and are used for distinct design tasks. Understanding the differences between them is essential to choose the right tool for your design needs. First, let's start with InDesign. InDesign is a page design and layout software used for creating multi-page documents such as brochures, magazines, newspapers, and books. It's ideal for designing and formatting text, images, and other visual elements in a structured and organized way. InDesign is also used for creating digital publications, such as e-books and interactive PDFs. On the other hand, Illustrator is a vector graphics editor used for creating logos, icons, graphics, and illustrations. It's ideal for designing and manipulating vector shapes, paths, and lines to create custom graphics and artwork. Illustrator is widely used in the fields of graphic design, branding, and advertising. One of the key differences between InDesign and Illustrator is the type of files they produce. InDesign produces layout files with multiple pages, while Illustrator produces individual graphic files. InDesign is also more focused on text and formatting, while Illustrator is more focused on graphics and illustrations. In terms of practical examples, InDesign would be the better choice for creating a magazine layout with multiple pages and articles, while Illustrator would be the better choice for creating a custom logo or icon for a company. Best practices for using InDesign and Illustrator include starting with a clear design concept and understanding the purpose of your design project. It's also essential to have a good understanding of the design principles and elements, such as typography, color, and composition. In conclusion, InDesign and Illustrator are two distinct design tools that serve different purposes. InDesign is ideal for page design and layout, while Illustrator is ideal for vector graphics and illustrations. By understanding the differences between them, you can choose the right tool for your design needs and produce high-quality designs that meet your goals and objectives.